After 2 years of being in the gym or working out in the gym, I have realized that many people, especially, come back to another workout video. This is your boy AD Fitness coming at you once again. In today's video, we are going to do something different on this channel. After 2 years of being in the gym or working out in the gym, I have realized that many people, especially beginners, find it difficult to use some of the machines that are installed in the gym. Instead of using the Triceps Dip Machine to focus on their triceps, they end up using it for their shoulders and other muscle groups. I'm going to show you the proper way of targeting the right muscle groups and how you can get the best out of the machines installed in the gym. I am going to go through 5 most commonly used machines, and I believe most of the gyms, or most of you watching me, your gyms may have these machines installed there. So if your gym doesn't have this machine, then probably you need to think twice, right? We are going to walk straight to the gym and then start with the machines. If you are new to the channel, be sure to hit on the subscribe button and don't forget to like the video to help the algorithm push it to a wider audience. Lat Pulldown is one of the equipment in the gym that majority of the people, most of beginners, use it wrongly all the time. I was taught how to do lat pull down. I did it the wrong way, pulling the bar towards me directly without knowing what I'm doing. I have to let you know the right way to go about it. The first thing you need to do when you want to perform a wide lat pull down, adjust the seat height so that your thighs are fixed under the legs pad and your feet flat on the floor. That's the first step. So with this, you need to grip the bar with your hands wider than shoulder width apart, that's holding both ends of the bar. After you're done doing this, sit down and pull your shoulder blades down and back, keeping your chest up and engaging your core as well. Pull the bar towards your chest, leading with your elbows. So always lead with your elbows when pulling the bar towards your chest. Briefly pause when the bar is just below your chin. Then slowly release it back up to their starting position. Remember to avoid using momentum or excessively arcing your back during the movements. Now, it's also essential to use an appropriate weight that allows you to maintain proper form. With this, let's try and practice it together. With the medium grip lat pull down, it involves using a grip that is closer together, typically around shoulder width apart. You need to follow the same procedure as we did with the wide grip pull down. And also, you need to pull the bar directly towards your upper chest, leading with your elbows and keeping your wrists straight. So with knowing this, let's practice it together. The neutral grip lat pull down follows the same procedure. So get a neutral grip cable and then fix it on the machine, and let's do it as we did with the medium and the wide grip pull down. Now the next machine we are going to look at is going to be the machine lateral raise. I found a lot of people have been making mistakes when performing this lateral raise on the machine, and this is a typical mistake that they used to do, as you can see in the video description. Now, to perform this properly, you need to first adjust the seat height so that the handles are at shoulder level when seated. Anytime you want to perform any exercise on a machine, you first need to adjust the seat height or the seat, check the seat levels, whether they are at the right place or not. Now, what you're going to do after adjusting the seat height is to keep your back straight and engage your core throughout the movement. So that is what it's going to be. Now, exhale as you lift the handles out to the side until your arms are parallel to the ground. You need to always keep a slight bend in your elbows. And so at the top, inhale as you slowly lower the handles back to the starting position. Okay, so that is how you do this. Recently, I uploaded a video showing my shoulder workout routine where I focused on teaching you how to do this machine lateral raises. If you've not yet seen this video, there's the link in the description below and also at the top of the video, so check it out and then do it properly. I'm not going to waste much time practicing this. The next machine that we will be considering is going to be the seated leg curl machine. It's quite unfortunate why some people, especially beginners, find it difficult using this machine, especially not knowing the muscle group they are targeting. In order to use this machine properly, as usual, you need to adjust your seat or anchor yourself into the seat. Now you have to create an arc in your lower back, as you can see me doing in the video. What to do next is to tighten your hamstrings. Okay, squeeze your hamstring so hard that it pulls your heel towards your rail. Now hold the contraction briefly at the top of the movement and then inhale as you slowly return to the starting position, extending your knees while maintaining control. Okay, so that is how it's being done. Repeat for the desired number of repetitions, ensuring a full range of motion and focusing on engaging your hamstrings throughout the movement. If you've gotten the procedure, let's practice it together. I added the leg press machine to my list, but unfortunately it was not functioning properly in the gym. Maybe we are going to talk about that later. If you are finding this information useful, consider subscribing to the channel for more updates. Hit the like button to show appreciation, and also don't forget to share for others to also benefit. Thanks for your cooperation. The fourth machine that we are going to talk about, or the last but one machine that we are going to talk about, is the Triceps Dip Machine. One thing I noticed is that anytime they come to the gym and they want to train their triceps, they just go straight and sit on the machine and start training their triceps without focusing on anything, So in order to perform this properly, you need to first adjust the machine by setting according to your height and comfortability, right? Ensure that the handles or parts are positioned at a comfortable height and distance apart. After knowing this, sit down and have your back placed flat on the machine as illustrated. Exhale as you lower the handles down, keeping your elbows slightly bent. Inhale while you lower the handles back to the starting position. So repeat for the desired number of repetitions while focusing on the contraction of your triceps. Alright, so if you have gotten the procedure, let's practice this together. This brings us to our final machine, and the final machine that we will be looking at is going to be the machine chest flies. Majority of people come to the gym and they start using the machine without considering anything, not considering the rep range and also going a half range instead of a full range, as you can see me doing in the video. Now, to perform the machine chest flies properly, you need to first sit on the machine and adjust the seat height so that the handles are at chest levels when you extend your arms. You have to also sit with your back flat against the backrest and grab the handles with an overhand grip. Extend your arms fully, but keep a slight bend in your elbows. So always your elbows should be slightly below shoulder height. The next thing is to bring the handles together in front of your body in a controlled manner, squeezing your chest muscles at the peak of your movement. Slowly return the handles back to the starting position, maintaining control throughout the movement. Remember to breathe steadily and avoid using momentum to swing the weight. Additionally, focus on engaging your chest muscles to perform the movement effectively. I believe this video is going to be of use to you guys, especially the beginners out there. Be sure to come back to watch it anytime you find it difficult to use a certain machine in the gym. Now, until we meet again, watch other videos in the description below and don't forget to subscribe.